Hey, so if you're on a Mac and your Finder is being weird, maybe it's frozen, glitching out, or just not responding, I've got you. In this video, I'll walk you through a few super easy ways to quit and restart Finder so you don't have to reboot your entire computer. Quick, simple, and super helpful. Before you do that, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Alright, first method is the easiest. Go up to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, click it, and then choose Force Quit. Now look for Finder on that list. Click it once and then hit Relaunch. Boom, Finder will restart, and 9 times out of 10 that fixes the issue. Now if that doesn't seem to work, or if your computer is kind of sticky or frozen, there's a keyboard shortcut. It's called Command Option Escape. So you press those at the same time on your computer and then it will bring up the same menu. So I'm going to press on Command, Option, Escape, and as you can see, it brings up this menu. So then again, you press on Finder, Relaunch, and then you can relaunch it from there. If your Finder is still stuck, there's another option. So on the spotlight icon on the top of the MacBook, we're going to click on that, and we're going to search for Activity Monitor. Open that up, and in the search bar, wait for it to load, and type in Finder. When you see it pop up, click on it once, and then hit the X on the top to force quit it. Then click on Force Quit. It'll close, and after a couple of seconds, it'll relaunch itself automatically. This one's great if Finder is really locked up and nothing else is working. And that's super easy, right? One of these should definitely get your Finder working again. If this video helped you out, a like would mean a lot. And if you're into simple tech tips like this, consider subscribing for more. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I try to reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.